this and that. In this video, we learn about the use of this and that in different sentences. This. We use this to identify or talk about the things that are near to us, be it a person, place, animal, or thing. We always use this if we talk about only one thing, that is a singular noun. That. We use that to identify or talk about the things that are far from us, be it a person, place, animal, or thing. We use that to identify a single thing or a singular noun. Now let's understand this better with the help of an example. This is an umbrella. Here we used the word this because in this picture, umbrella is near to the boy. So this is an umbrella. That is a tree. Here we used the word that because in this picture, the tree is far from the boy. That is a tree. This is my house. Here we used this because in this picture, the boy is talking about his house which is near to him. This is my house. That is my school. Here we used the word that because in this picture, the boy is talking about his school which is far from him. That is my school. Complete the sentences using this or that in the blanks. Dash shop sells vegetables. The answer is that. That shop sells vegetables. Give me dash book. The answer is this. Give me this book. Dash is a football. The answer is this. This is a football. Dash boy is going to school. The answer is that. That boy is going to school. So, we read that we always use this to identify the things that are near to us, whereas we use that to identify or talk about the things that are far from us. Both this and that are used when we talk about any singular noun, that is, when we talk about only one thing.
Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.